What's going on, you ugly mugs? It's Stevie.choppin back with another video. It is Sunday, and you can see it's not a warm Sunday like it has been the past couple weeks. You can see on top of the old house there is a little bit of snow. So I'm not riding the chopper over Evans today. I'm just not doing it. I did get my bunny ears fixed the other day. Not sure if you can tell, but I had my buddy weld in a little extension there to fit my bike. He does incredible work. The right Magnus upsweep comes tomorrow, so I'm excited to throw those on. Tomorrow should be warmer, so I might throw the exhaust on tomorrow. Another kind of little exciting thing for me, it's nothing crazy, but I did get a new to me toolbox and a whole bunch of tools. This thing is definitely older than me, but if it works, it works. So Isaac just got back from Florida. He is coming to pick me up right now. And then we are going to grab the trailer from Evans, go grab Isaac's bike, then run to Harbor Freight. Isaac seems to think that I think it's a flux core welder, and it's on sale for like 150 bucks. It's a green titanium one, so a little bit better than the Chicago Electric or Lincoln, whatever it is. So we're gonna try that, probably have some fun welding today. Isaac's gonna do a few things to his bike. Lance might throw on his bars, so stay tuned for Evans Chop Chop. Chop chop. Chop chop. Yes. I guess he didn't get the trailer, so I'll see you in a bit. Nice serpentine belt. I'm not coming. Well, we are currently heisting Evan's trailer to go grab Isaac's bike. We're gonna lop off the tongue lock right there. Hopefully before Evan comes out.
Thanks, Jordan.
All right, Isaac and I just got done spending some money. It's always fun. New-ish right here. The Harbor Freight Titanium Flux 125 angle grinder welding helmet. And just for our buddy Evan, a brand new tongue lock. And now we're loading up the chopper.
Loading up the slapper.
Here's Isaac's big old garage. We got the Mini Moto, the SSR 120, 110 Apollo. What is that thing? I don't even know. Here we've got the TTR 250, which we're gonna try to convince Izzy to keep, and the chopper.
The slapper.
The only one in the group with a single carb.
Ow. Lance isn't mad. He's happy.
Dang, look at those Z-bars.
Z-bar boy.
Loading up the chopper. All right, we're done with that one. So how come Isaac's the only one that didn't have problems with his bars? Why can't you put yours on?
They don't have this. And because there's no, those have bolts built in. These.
And those just have bungs? Yeah.
So
And that's fine.
I still need hardware, so I'm about to go to the hardware store.
Perfect.
Buy some bolts.
I like those. Those look,
I kind of wish I got bigger ones.
that'll be a comfortable length though. That looks comfy. Oh. Every time you swear, whoops.
Good riddance.
I'll have to cut this out.
Izzy and his brand new lunchbox buzz box. Look at that.
Going on vacation with that suitcase.
Oh, this is the thumbnail. Everyone and Isaac.
I feel like this thing's gonna explode.
All right, Isaac's about to lay the first bead on this machine.
On this machine.
Dude, it's a dime.
That's the one.
What we
got?
Boogers.
It's actually not bad.
We love coming to the hardware store
That's right.
because it always goes super quick. You always know exactly what you need. And
Uh-huh.
it's usually only one trip.
That's right. We'll be back.
Squid.
Oh.
R.I.P. Booby.
See you, Booby.
Booby's gone.
We love you.
Booby went up to move
No chopper for
to
Booby.
Petoskey, so he's gone. You're just squitting in the back seat.
Squitting. What do you request?
All right, Lance put his bars on. Just got back from the hardware store. I'm actually liking those bars a lot. And Isaac over here is working on his solo seat.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, no swearing.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Heck yeah.
What do you want, ugly mug? Lance, tell us about your new Speedo.
Okay. I know nothing about it. Evan did.
He bolted a quad lock into the original Speedo. Fits right in between. Doesn't get any better than that.
It doesn't.
Rough Crafts, eBay.
That's right. Dude.
Explain what you're doing here, Izzy.
Making a spring mount. Just making a cross beam to bolt basically the spring to here and bolt it to here.
Very nice. We're going to use that Easy Flux 125 titanium.
Easy flux, baby. Is that super loose?
Supervising.
Just close your eyes.
Beads.
Welding.
There you go.
Welding.
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 Not welding. Fire in the hole.
Man,
Slice it off.
just grinding down those booger welds. They are boogers. Well, Isaac's going full shot.
God damn it. Hey, Ben.
She's almost dead.
Battery.
She's almost dead.
See, don't you feel better now?
Oh, Lance's thumbnail.
No, the teeth.
Zero shot.
Get it from the backside.
I can't.
Isaac. Good shit on that. Are you kidding?
The penmanship
Look at that rod.
Bye, clutch.
Can I lift it by here?
Is it out?
Dumpied. This thing on air right or what?
Yeah.
Static junkie.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, Lance, close out the vlog.
No.
Did you figure out a solution to your kickstand yet?
All right, we're gonna close out the vlog here. Very big day in the garage. We got a lot done. Lance got his bars on. Isaac dumped his dumpy. We got the new Easy Flux Titanium. It was a good day.
Steve's
If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always,
Load the chopper.
You're gonna talk.